Good morning. We've got visitors for lunch and I'm making a lamb roast, so I'll just show you what I'm doing. We absolutely love the carrots cooked in with the meat. They go really soft and tasty. And I just add a couple of centimetres of water. Probably need a little bit more than that so that we can make gravy from it. And then the lamb sits on top. Okay, so I've got a lamb shoulder. And I'm just going to pop that in there. You can use leg or shoulder, but I really love how soft shoulder goes. It just gets really delicious as it slow cooks. Keeping this one pretty simple. You can obviously put in slits and put in garlic, and you can add rosemary, lemon juice, or you can do it really simple and just do salt and pepper. I'll add some rosemary as well. Got a few sprigs and I'll just pop them in, and I'll probably add a little bit of thyme as well. I decided to add some garlic. I can't help myself. This is so yummy on lamb. This is the garlic granules that we sell in the store. You can also get the powder, and yeah, it's grown in New South Wales. Get that in the oven. So that will take about 5 hours. I'm going to put it on for about 5 hours at 150. Of course, you can use a slow cooker if you have one, but mine broke, so using the oven. I'm going to get some veggies roasted in the other oven so that I can set those aside for a roast veggie salad. So I've got pumpkin and carrot and beetroot. I didn't have much beetroot. Broccoli. Sometimes I add cauliflower, but I didn't have any of that because it's so expensive at the moment. So just put some olive oil and salt and pepper on those and pop them into the oven at 200 degrees for about half an hour or so. And then just use them at room temperature in a salad. Okay, so those in the oven. The broccoli probably will take about 20 minutes, so I'll just have to keep an eye on that. Okay, the veggies are ready for the salad, and I'm just popping whole washed potatoes into the oven with foil covering them so that they will cook slowly with the roast. Nothing on there. That's 5 hours on 150 degrees. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, I've poured the juices from the lamb into the Thermomix, and I'm just going to make gravy with that. Leave that to sit. So I'm just going to start this cooking and stirring, and then I'll just add some tapioca starch in the top. So it's mixing while it's being added. So let's see, we'll do about 3 tablespoons. I'm sorry, I don't have an exact amount. I'd have to check that. And pop the lid on. I changed my mind. I decided to make the gravy on the stovetop because it's actually a bit quicker. And I can taste it as I go.